In today's video guys, I'm gonna show you how to fix Facebook Messenger video call or an audio call problem. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager, now go to the Messenger right here, click on force stop and then go to the notifications management. Make sure that everything is enabled. Go back and click on the permissions, make sure to enable all the permissions. Go back again and now click on data usage and make sure to disable the roaming data and enable all those three options like this: the mobile data, the Wi-Fi and the background data. That's it guys, very easy and simple tutorial. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching until the very end. See you later.